Here I have OPPO RX17 Neo, and let me show you how to clear credentials on the following device. So at the very beginning, open the settings, then scroll down, find and select additional settings, and here just go to device and privacy. It's here. And now go to the credential storage and tap on remove all user certificates. You have to tap on this icon one more time, and that's it. All certificates have been deleted. Thanks for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.